Hi, we just got a package from Moocall. That's an Irish company that puts out calving sensors. Um, and let's let's see what we got here. Trying to do this one-handed here. Looks nicely packed. Packing slip. Nice looking box. Packed very well, very solid. Comes with a user guide. That's got a nice feel to it. It's the calving sensor, and this would go on the back of on the tail of I suppose a beef animal or a dairy animal, up around the vulva area. Let's see what else we got in the box. Nice length USB cord for charging, and this is probably the power unit. Looks like it's adapters for multiple countries or continents. This would be for the, looks like the USA. I'm not sure what country that would be. Never seen that one either. But this slides off, I would assume. I'll have to put the camera down. Yeah, this just slides off of that unit. And we'll find this adapter. Kind of tough to do this with one hand. There. Another power unit for American or North America. But back to this unit. Well, that is easy to see if that ever fell off of a tail. Those are nice colors for, well, we pasture, so this would definitely be easy to see, or in a herd of cattle, it'd be easy to spot this sensor from cattle that are not wearing the sensor. But in a nutshell, that's the Moocall calving sensor, and we've got two of them. We have an organic dairy herd of about 42 jerseys, and we do a reverse seasonal, meaning we calve in the winter and late fall. So we got these to make our lives a little bit easier. We don't see the need to have to get up every hour or 2 hours at night anymore. The reviews of these things are just incredible. I think they say they work like 93 or 90+% of the time, but our neighbor has one, and it's worked every time. So we're more than excited to have these. This is I think it's the 3G model, where the older ones, I guess, were like 2G, and these just work a little bit better. And they also have a sensor, so if they were to fall off of a tail, it tells you that it's off the tail, so you can kind of go out and look in that general area where your animals were, and to be able to find it right away. But we're very, very excited to have these units on our farm. I think we paid, or I think you can order them from Moocall.com, or you can get them at some stores, farm stores. In our area, it's I think Mills Fleet Farm. My wife has said that she's seen a display there, and I don't know if they're like $320 some, and that first initial purchase price includes 1 year of service. It's basically a cell phone service, and then it's like $100+ after that, and that's just to maintain the cell phone connection for these. This is not a Wi-Fi or a Bluetooth unit. This communicates and sends you texts or emails via cell towers. And if you've got a cell phone like most of us do, we all know that it's not cheap. So $100+, it's pretty cheap service for a year. But this is our new Moocalls. I can't say enough of what I've heard. We're very excited to have these. Again, it's going to make our lives easier. We deal with frozen ears and frozen tails, and many times if we happen to be out there during the calving process, a calf has to be brought in within minutes, otherwise it starts suffering frostbite. But that's our Moocall units.